This boat is a 2019 Harris 240 Sunliner with the Performance Plus Tri-Tune package shown here in midnight blue with black sapphire accent and black anodized rails. The floor plan is the popular center walk-through layout, which placed the rear entry gate in the center with seating balanced on both sides of the boat. The boat is powered by a 175 horsepower Mercury Verado outboard with hydraulic steering and digital throttle and shift controls. It includes the lighting package with LED lighted cup holders and rope lighting around the seat bases. It also includes the convenience package, which provides a portable cup holder, an upgraded steering wheel, flip-up cleats, and a quick-release fender system. The bimini top is the extended 12-foot long version to provide a larger shaded area. The captain's seat is the Ultralux high-back version with the adjustable height seat base. There is a stainless steel ski tow bar, a dual battery setup, and a digital depth sounder. The sound system is the upgraded Polk stereo system with 4 speakers. Feel free to come down to Lake Hopatcong and check out this beautiful Harris 240 Sunliner.